Everyday chat and chart live during the New York session. Here, real traders share the raw truth, their mindset, technical analysis, and execution. This is where real traders show their skill set. Welcome to Tradin TV. This is your stage to shine.
Hello guys, I'm audible. Yeah, hi. Hi bro.
Hello, bro.
Yeah,
How are
I'm
you
good. How are
doing?
you?
Is everything
Yeah,
good?
it's good.
Yeah. Should I say Happy New Year?
Happy New Year. It's January 25, 26. It's Republic Day.
It's still a new year. It's still a new year.
It's actually Republic Day in India.
India, India.
Yeah.
So, how is your trading so far this year?
Today I took a trade in gold. Is my like am I clear now? Like my visuals. Is it clear?
Yeah, your camera is clear.
All right, fine.
Maybe try to share your screen. Try to share your screen.
Should I share my screen or like should I share my screen or you're sharing your screen?
You are the one sharing. Share.
I think actually it is at 1080p 30 fps. Next time I'll come with my DSLR camera, so you'll see me in 4K.
Okay, no problem. No problem.
Can you able to see my screen?
Not yet.
It is actually sharing.
Not yet. Not yet.
I'm actually sharing my screen. I don't know why it's not visible. Wait, I'll share again. Is it visible now?
Yeah, now we can see.
All right, fine. All right. So hello guys. I'll just explain my trade. I took in gold today. I'll just explain. It's very simple. So I hope you saw gold today. Like it reached $5,000.
Okay.
Yeah, so good. All right, fine. So my trade is very simple. Like I actually traded in the range. So you can able to look up the we are having like equal highs over here. So this is a very good resistance area, and even the market like it broke this high and then it went into a consolidation, and after this it gave a complete reversal. So I took a kind of this trade, but in this range, and it's a very small scalp. So what happened is like again the market reached this level. You can able to see, and how it reached is like you can able to see the market took support from this level, and then the market continues to displace on the high side, a very strong displacement, and then again a pullback, and again it reached the same high. Even the market gave a small sweep on the high side, a very small sweep, or you can say that the market rejected the same area, and again the market went into consolidation. So I was just waiting for a reversal to happen, and what happened is like you can able to see a strong down close candle, right? This particular candle, like the market broke this range, and I took sell here, and I placed my stop loss above this level, and I targeted only this liquidity, but the market gave target till this level. It's a very good trade, but still like I captured only till this level. So this is a very small scalp, and the market actually gave me target very quickly. So this is my trade for today. And I took in futures, not CFD. I took in futures, gold futures. So this is my trade for today.
Okay. Yeah, but for me today, actually, as always, for me, I specifically trade in DAX, so you can call it German 40 or German 30. So that's
Bro,
what I
like your voice is not clear.
specifically. Hello?
Yeah, now it's clear.
Yeah, so I've been saying that for me, in most cases, I trade DAX or German 40. You can call it German 40 or German 30. Other brokers has it as German 30. So
Okay,
I only took I took two trades today. I took the sales and after some buys, whereby my buys have just hit my TP. But
okay,
you have been doing some breakdown on gold. Yeah.
okay.
So can you give us explanation? Why is gold keeping on? Why does gold it keeps on going bullish?
I'm not into
Keeps on pumping.
fundamentals factor, but to me, like Safna, like I'm in India, right? So in India, like the US dollar against INR is very weak. INR is getting so weak. So in this case, like most of the people, like whenever the INR is falling, they'll keep on investing in metals. That's how India works, and that is the reason. Like I'm bullish in gold, but there are other fundamental factors too, and I'm not into fundamentals too. Like when I'm into a trade, like that is purely based on technicals.
Okay, because I've been seeing also silver, like silver is also pumping so hard.
Yeah.
I think gold traders are laughing at the crypto traders, those who had invested money in crypto. So far, things are not so good. Yeah. So, are we getting any trade today from you?
Yeah, my view on gold is, I'll just share my view. Okay, so to me, the gold is actually it's quite bullish. Okay, there is no point in going for sell trade unless if I see any good reverse on the downside. So
Okay.
as of now, like every low is actually sell liquidity to me. Like these lows or these lows or these lows, these are like a very good sell liquidity to me. So whenever the market is breaching these lows or these lows, I'll look for reversal entries. So how I'll plan is like I just mark this low, and it is also an FEG level. And keep in mind, like if the FEGs fill again, also it will fill. So the FEG will keep on balance. I'll check Redwin. Just give me a minute. Okay. So the market is near key level now. So what I'll be looking is, yeah, we can able to see a very strong down close candle, right? So I'm expecting a strong up close candle above this particular high. Above this particular high, if I saw a very good up close candle, then I might turn into bullish. And also, I won't enter immediately. I'll just wait for some kind of retracement, or if the market is again giving a manipulation. For example, after breaking this high, instead of entering in the first retracement, I'll just look for some kind of another manipulation. For example, let's say the market is reversing and then it is taking out this low. And if it is reverses again, then my probability will be very high. I'll just enter into the trade by targeting this high as my first one, and this is my second target. So if you're planning a scalp, the this one is a good one, but again we need some confirmation. So this is my plan on gold as of now. So currently it's bullish.
Okay.
So
Okay. Let me take them through some analysis on DAX
are
and
you going to
Nasdaq.
share your screen?
Yeah, let me share the screen.
Yeah, sure. Um, just give me a minute.
Yeah, guys, in the comment section, don't when I share my screen, don't start. WCK, the quality. What we are in Uganda, guys. We just had some elections today. Actually, was it 2 weeks back? We had election. Our president has came back for another for the has been ruling just now for 40 years. Now he's coming back for 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. So you know how it feels. So don't complain about my network. I'm using VPN. Yeah, our network was shut down, so you're using VPNs, guys. Okay, yeah. So it's Uganda. Let me share my screen also. Uh,
Yeah, if I, like I'll just share my analysis on Euro USD, then you can share your screen because someone
okay,
asked.
it's okay. It's okay.
Yeah. So Euro USD again, it is also very bullish. So whenever the market is bullish, don't look for sell entries. If you're a good scalper, you can go for sell entries, or else just wait for some kind of manipulation, or just wait for some kind of retracement to happen, and then again you can plan your buy entries. Taking sell entries is fine, but still, if the market is bullish, the overall trend is bullish, then if you're a good scalper, you can plan sell trades, or else don't plan any sell trades. So again, the market is reaching a key level, like it is a very good sell equity. The market took out the slow, and it is also balancing the fair value gap. And what I'll be looking is again the same concept like gold. I'll be looking for a candle to break above this opening of this particular red candle. You can either call it as order block, or you can call it as CASD. So I'll just wait for a strong candle closure above this high, and then I'll wait for some kind of retracement to happen. Then I'll just go for buy entries. This is my view on Euro USD. Yeah, now we can share your screen.
Okay,
W. So sorry for the trouble.
okay, okay, okay.
Yeah, you can share your screen.
Is it now visible, guys? Is my screen visible?
Not yet. Yeah, now it's visible.
Okay, guys. So today I took two trades. So those who follow me, I think you have been seeing this. So I took the first trade, which was I took the sales from this point. So the reason why I was confident with this first sale here, it was because in the weekend we had this move. When the market opened, we had this gap, and I believe most of you on your blockers, it's a gap. So of course, when the market tried to test and try to close above it, it failed. So that's why I tried so hard to look for my sales, but I couldn't hold for so long. Of course, I moved in at exactly this point. Then I took in the buys, but for now, I want us to look to do some analysis on maybe Nasdaq. We can do some analysis on Nasdaq because we have seen some analysis on XAUSD, Euro USD. So I'll do some on Nasdaq and maybe as. So this is the Nasdaq we have here. So of course the market is, we are having so much consolidations here. But if I was to be trading Nasdaq, I would first have to consult the daily time frame. So the daily time frame will help me to know the momentum and the volume, because in my strategy, I always focus on the three things. Number one, it is the volume. Number two, it's the momentum. Number three, it is the impulsive, or call it the expansions and corrections, or you can call them consolidations. So uh, volume helps me to understand or to know whether the market is tradable or not. Then momentum helps me to know whether the market is bullish or bearish. Then expansion and correction helps me to identify areas of buyers and sellers. So when I look at the market, of course, volume, you can see that when you look on the Nasdaq, and remember this is daily time frame, the momentum is bullish. We have a bullish momentum. The market is bullish. So for the volume, we can say when we look on the daily time frame, 4 hour will give us a clear picture of volume and 15-year time frame. But when it comes to momentum, momentum, we can easily identify a bullish momentum here. So of course, in a daily time frame, it's a bullish momentum. Now I know I'm dealing with a bullish trend. I'll stretch up to 4 hour time frame. moment. Moment, guys. Okay, let's continue. So when we come on the 4-hour time frame, so 4-hour time frame, on the 4-hour time frame, of course, it is still a bullish momentum, but here I'm going to mark our possible areas of buyers and sellers, or we can say premium levels. So premium levels, of course, we can't rule out such a reaction here. We can see this reaction, meaning the market tried so hard to make a breakthrough from this point here on the 4-hour time frame. So hence the buyers were not so strong to defeat these sellers here. So for this, we can mark on the 4-hour time frame. This, we would have marked this as our area for sellers, or a strong resistance point. But of course, I would prefer to go with the current one, which is this. Okay, so that is a strong one. Then we had also, as we have located for the strong resistance level or premium level, then when it comes to the lower time frame, sorry, when it comes to the previous lows, as we have seen the previous highs. So for the previous lows, of course, the market tried so hard to identify this point here. It was locating that point, but of course, buyers in this area here were a bit more stronger. Okay, buyers here. So that's why this market, when it comes to Nasdaq, you are seeing that Nasdaq is dropped within that range. So when Nasdaq is dropped within this range, it means that we have strong sellers here.
Okay, I think his network is the issue, guys. I'll just share my screen. All right, fine. So as per my analysis, like the market actually broke this particular high. So again, I told like instead of entering in the first retracement, you can just wait for another manipulation to happen. Then you can see a very good probability, and I'm actually expecting that to happen. So either market may break this low and reverse, or the market may break this particular low and reverse. So I'll just wait. I'm just waiting for another kind of manipulation so that I'll plan my buy trade. But this one, this breakout is actually quite bullish. And also, like, I'll just give one more tip. Like, if someone is entering in first manipulation, always wait for second manipulation to happen. Then your probability of getting that trade is very good. It will be very good if you're waiting for second manipulation instead of taking entries in. For example, most of the people they might have entered around this level. I hope so. And what happens if you kept your stop loss in this range, now it's hit, and again the market is heading to this level. Let's see. How is your trading today? Yeah, it's actually pretty good. Like I took SLs in gold around this level and I captured till this range, but the market eventually fell till this level or even this level. Yeah, the market fell this level and it actually balanced this particular Fiji. And again, the market took support from the same level, and now there is a breakout. But I believe the market is going to reverse. But I'm expecting some kind of manipulation, and then again, if there is a reversal, I'll go for buy trade, or else we can plan sell trade too. Let's see. Yeah, I think the market is going to take out, but this low. In euros, in Fahad, there is a Fiji down, so don't you think price will take support from there? Think about. Let me check. Are you pointing out this FAG? If yes, the market may take support from this level, but we do have imbalances around these levels too. So yeah, why not? The market may fall till this level, and then again it may sorry again it may take support from this level, and then again it may bounce back. See, it is actually doing the thing that I said. If the candle closure is good, if the candle closure is above this level, actually you can plan your buy trade, but again just wait for some kind of retracement to happen, then you can plan your buy trade by targeting this high, but you have to be very patient. It is actually looking good.
Yes, hello, I'm back. I'm back. I think there was a technical issue, but it has been
Yeah,
solved by the team.
that's fine, that's fine.
Okay. So you have executed a trade yet?
Sorry.
You have opened any trade yet?
No, 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 no.
Okay.
Gold. Sorry. Gold actually gave a very good confirmation, but again it is failing now. If it
Okay.
again reverses, I'll just go for buy trade for sure.
Okay.
I think the gold will take out this low. Let's see. Look at this. someone wants to go into trade, actually they can enter here. It's actually pretty good. But your stop loss won't be that rewarding. Let's see. And this is not a plus setup and all. The market may fail. Yeah, yeah. If you want to keep a perfect stop loss, you have to keep below this imbalances. The perfect stop loss would be these levels. But again, we can't trust this much and all. It's better we can keep a stop loss around this level, and then we can target this high. Yeah, gold is also looking good.
Yeah,
Let's see.
it's a good
I'll
entry.
just wait. Yeah, I'll just wait for the market to break up below, so above this level. Then let's plan for buy entries. Sorry.
It's okay.
Is it election time in Uganda?
No, it has like it's like 1 week back. 1 week back, but the internet was switched off. Turning it on, we have to use VPS to access it.
Why they're turning off your internet connection during election?
So that they can rig it. Someone has been ruling for
Sorry.
40 years and you because they want to rig it because someone has been ruling for 40 years and you think he wants to lose.
Is it dictatorship?
Eh?
Is it dictatorship?
It's dictatorship. Dictatorship, bro. Hey, it's tough this end, eh? So we traders, man, we have to use VPS to trade.
My camera is shaking. I don't know. Uh, Wait, let me check my internet connection. Okay. My internet is actually good, guys. I don't know why you have facing issues. Yeah, if it breaks this high now, I'll just go for buys in gold. No, it is fading. Okay, no more buy entries. Let's wait for some kind of clean reversal. If someone doesn't go hero is, like you can just close your trade, like it seems reversing. You can just again wait for some kind of good entries. It's better we can close. Don't wait for the stop loss to hit. If someone has a trade, like just close it. 5051. Yeah, it might. I
I
think
think
you're
it
planning
might
for
it might
70.
hit your
Yeah,
TP.
yeah, you can plan your sell trades actually. It is looking good for sales. Wow. Yeah, so I'll just share some. I just shaved my beard. Okay, fine. I'll just share some view on gold. Okay. I think most of you guys are following ICT to trade. So one of the famous entry model is 2022 mentorship model, like that is just waiting for some kind of sell equity and then structure shift and then entering in a fair value gap or any other PTRA. So I just want to share some insights. Never follow procedures blindly. If you're following a setup, always keep in mind, just wait for the market condition. Wait, I'll just make this screen bigger. Okay, yeah, yeah. So let's say you're following entry model, either it's silver bullet or it is like whether you're trading in macros or you're trading in a 9:30 a.m. open candle or PO3 or a CRT, any other yeah, any other entry model. Don't follow the procedures blindly. Instead, look out for market condition. Okay, for example, okay, so gold is actually bullish. You can able to see clearly it is bullish. But also, whenever the market is in a particular direction, either it is bullish or bearish, it has some limit. For example, let's say, let's say I'm into buy trade. I have to keep my target. I have to fix my DOI. Let's see if I'm taking a buy trade over this, and I'll keep my target maximum till this level, because anytime the market may reverse. Already the market gave a very good huge move on the buy side. So again, taking buy entries and then holding for very bigger target is wrong. Okay, either you're looking for sell trades or buy trades. Always know where your DOI is. If you don't know your DOI, don't enter into the trade. First point. Second point is, okay. So I actually waited for a manipulation to happen, and I told the market should close above a particular down close candle. You can able to see here, which is a clear order block or change in state of delivery. You can call it. You can call whatever you want. So the market gave a perfect CISD. So most people, what they'll do is, they may consider this as sell liquidity, and they'll consider this particular swing high as market structure shift, or this particular candle as order block. And what they'll do is, they'll enter in the first retracement. Once the market break this particular high, they'll just wait for the market to fill the ERL, that is this fair value gap, and then they'll enter here. Okay, even I do the same a few months back. But what I have observed is, never enter in first manipulation. uh, that is the biggest lesson that I've learned by observing the charts. So whenever the market is giving you a reversal sign, just wait for it, and then wait for one more manipulation to happen. Then again, if it is giving you entry, means that particular entry will give you a perfect target. Most of the time it will hit your target. So the probability is high if you're looking for second manipulation instead of entering in first manipulation. So for example, I consider this a CSD, right? This is a perfect CSD. There is no doubt about it. But what happened is the market gave a very good reversal sign, and again the market went to an IRL, like that is fair value gap, and it filled this IRL, and again the market started displacing on the highest side. So most of the people they would have entered around this level. Okay, so what I am pointing out is don't enter here. Don't enter, never enter here. Just wait for one more manipulation to happen. For example, the market may break this low, or the market may break this particular low, or this particular low. Okay, so just wait for the market to break this low or this low or this low. Again, it should show a reversal side. For example, the market broke this low, right? Again, if the market reverses and if it breaks this particular high, a series of brown close candle is a bullish order block. So if the market breaks this particular high, or even if the market breaks out this particular fair value gap, if a green candle closes above this particular bearish fair value gap, then this particular fair value gap will turn into an inversion fair value gap. So even if a green candle closes above this candle, you can just wait for a manifestation. Sorry, you can just wait for a retracement to happen. If the market again fills this particular inversion FEG, again you can go for a trade. Or just wait for a candle to close above this level. Then again, if it retraces back, just go for it. So overall, what I'm telling is don't enter in first manipulation. Just wait for second manipulation to happen. If you're following this, most of your trades will hit your target, but you need more patience. This is not that easy because this particular candle will tempt you a lot. Even few months back, I'll just enter here. Okay, this particular pullback will tempt you a lot, but don't enter. In order to wait for second manipulation, you need more patience. Patience is very important in trading. So whether you're learning technicals or fundamentals, always focus on the psychological part. Train yourself, train your mind. Um, that is the best way to become profitable. Don't follow the things that I said blindly. Just observe it. Just observe. Okay, you will know what I'm trying to say. And what is happening with the Euro USD?
I think USD is still bullish.
Yeah, it is actually consulting. It's better. I think I
Mm.
hope it close this trade. If not, like please close this rate. Like it is actually not looking good. Do you want to give any suggestions, bro? Bro, you there? WCK.
Yes.
Yeah, like do you want to give any suggestions?
No, no, no. For me, I don't trade gold. And another thing, as I've told you, my network is not so good. If I try to share the screen, I think it will be lagging. I'm using VP. We are using VPS.
Mm.
So I'm also a student here. You are teaching me how to trade gold. I think the markets these days, if not, if leave around the commodities, they have been consolidating so much. A lot of consolidation has been in the markets lately.
think it is a good 2.92. 463. Dangerous zone? No, 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 no. Gold and silver is not actually dangerous zone. It is actually booming like, like you can able to see, right, the silver price is actually booming so much. But unfortunately, Indian market is not open for the past 3 days. Today is also a holiday.
That's a good trade.
Yeah, actually took this trade, but
Some
just keep.
someone is asking, can we pass challenges through the live session? Why not? You can take your trades, guys.
But you'll also receive a mail eventually from a prop like cop for cop trading.
Because we're using the same what? Same entries.
Yeah. How many RR a month you think is good for intraday trading, bro? Like to me, like maximum two trades of 2 hour is so good actually. To be honest, it's so good. But if you're a good scalper, you can even take entries on every single day. That is also possible. But if you're a scalper, you have to be psychologically more stronger than a person who is trading in higher time frame. Because like if you're taking a trade, if you're a scalper, the probability of hitting a stop loss will also be high. So you have to be ready in accepting your loss. If you're good at it, then you can even take trades every single day. You'll get entries for sure. But still, the displacement is not that good. I just placed very minimal lot. Let's see. I'll just keep this as my first target. Yeah, it's actually high risk. To be honest, like it is not a good RR trade. To be honest, if there is any like strong momentum candles on the high side, then we are good to go for 10. We're good to go for this level as your target. Let's see. Oh, did Aisha speed game there? Uganda.
Yes. What have you said, bro?
Aisha speed. Aisha speed. Is it advisable or I'll say justified if we take a big account size and trade at the par minimum loss and target 2% per week? of the overall account size. Yeah, yeah, it is actually good. Like see the benefits of taking low risk and is like you can be psychologically strong if you're taking low risk, but there is also one like demerit in taking low risk is it might take a longer time to pass the account. One, and one more is you might get frustrated of not getting passed, like of not passing the accounts. For example, let's say you're taking a trade, a single trade a week, and you're targeting 1% or 2% every single week, and your maximum loss limit is also 1% per week. Okay, let's say you're taking a trade and it hits your stop loss. So in that case, you can't trade for that week, right? So again, what you'll do, you'll just wait for another week to happen, and again you'll trade. Okay, let's say again you hit 2% target, and the third week comes. Okay, again you trade, and if it reverses and if it's your stop loss, you'll be in loss of 1%. So what will happen is this whole thing will mess up your mind, and eventually psychology may come, and you might enter with a big lot. So you have to deal with the patience. If you're targeting very low profit per week, you have to deal with patience, and also uh, only if you can able to afford another account, then you can go with higher risk, or else just stay with this. Stay with the one that you have planned. It is actually good. Yeah. Still, I'm not satisfied with this entity, to be honest. The momentum is not that good, but let's see.
For me, I believe it will hit the target.
Uh, the thing is, like, my overall target is this level, but still the momentum is not good, not that good, right?
Mm,
So the market may reverse from this level, or it may reverse from this level, or it may reverse from this level. These are
mm,
actually possible if the momentum is not that good,
yeah.
and that is what happening now. Like I'm just expecting some kind of strong candles on the high side. Then we can wait till this level has been target. Look at this. It is exactly reversing from this level. I'll just move my stop loss to break even. Yeah, yeah, yeah. It is actually making very small candles. Like, the momentum is not that good. We need
Mm.
more liquidity to push higher. I closed the buy at this level. Better not to this one. Ah, yeah, it's actually good. If you're securing a profit, it is always good.
Yeah, target will be hit. The first target is going to be hit.
Yeah, like, but look at the candles now. Like, it is actually not looking good.
The momentum is just low.
Yeah, Oh, you're still bullish. That's good. Uh, this is actually going to hit my target. But again, like I told, to close around this level, right? I think so. How far it can go? Oh, you can even expect till this level, Raj, Raji. But like it won't hit directly till this level. Like there might be a consolidation, or again the market may retrace back, and then again it will give you a pullback. So these are the chances, but you can expect till this level. This is a very good target. Yeah, and again, if it breaks this level, you can easily keep a target till this level. Okay, and it's going to hit my break even. Let's see. It is so boring.
I think the momentum is not so good. Maybe we can close it off because it's now 1 hour.
No,
What do you think?
no, it's better. I'll just close the trade.
Yeah.
The movement is not that good.
Should we call it a day?
Yeah, yeah. I just closed my trade.
Yeah, guys,
No,
just
like
close the trade.
I
The
actually took
momentum is
a
not
trade in
good.
gold. Sorry.
Yeah, the momentum is not good. Eh?
Yeah, that's what I'm pointing out right from the beginning. The movement is
Okay.
not that good. Yeah, I just closed my trade in break even.
Okay, guys. So I think
Yeah.
we can stop here.
What? Yeah. Someone like if someone wants to plan a buy trade or sell trade, just plan safely. And again, we are having plenty of imbalances left, so there are chances that the market may fall and then it will fill this gaps and then again it may bounce back. So if it happens, then use this particular downside move. You can easily take some scalps on the sell side. But if you're planning a sell trade, then make sure to close your trade properly or do proper trade management. Trade management is very important. if you're doing a scalping one. So yeah, so plan your trade accordingly, and we'll catch up on Friday. I'll come on Friday again.
Okay,
Okay.
guys.
See you guys.
Have a
I
good day,
hope
guys.
this stream adds value to you all. See you in a new video. See you in the next stream. Bye bye. Thank you.